Modern men don't just care about clothes or hairstyle. Kailangan marunong ka din mag-alaga ng balat. You need to take care of your skin, especially when it comes to anti-aging. Sobrang bawas pogi points yung mga wrinkles and yung mga crow's feet, and we all want a firm, youthful, and glowing skin. This is one of my go-tos when it comes to anti-aging and anti-wrinkles. Sobrang nababother kasi ako sa crow's feet and mahilig ako gumawa ng expressions. That's why nagmamanifest na yung crow's feet ko dito sa bandang eye area and yung smile lines ko din. Very conscious na ako sa wrinkles and fine lines. That's why I use this. And what I like about this product, meron siyang plant-based retinol, which is yung Vigna extract, and then we have hibiscus chlorella, niacinamide, and more. All natural-based, gentle, and safe kahit sensitive yung skin mo. Plus, FDA approved na dito sa Philippines, and maraming users na bumabalik dito kasi super effective talaga siya. This is one product for both men and women. Ako personally, wala pa akong masyadong obvious na wrinkles, pero nagmamanifest na siya paunti-unti. Kung gusto mong ma-prevent yung manifestation ng wrinkles and fine lines mo, you can use this day and night. We can't stop aging, pero you can choose to be confident. So if you're interested, nilagay ko lang yung link sa yellow bag para makuha mo rin. Peace!